It's Sunday night. We're having spaghetti.
Yeah.
Well, a mixture of fettuccine and some penne and some spaghetti. Here are the boys eating theirs. Charlie Bonus.
And me?
And Maxie's eating his noodles, right?
Yeah.
Tasty, huh? All right, that's Sunday night dinner.
Bye.
Bye. It's Monday. This is lunch today. Just a green salad with cucumber, tomato, mushrooms, some flaxseed, and some honey mustard dressing. And I'm going to have it with some chuck white tuna in water. This is Monday lunch. So it's Monday night. I'm having a grilled turkey burger, some olive oil and garlic couscous, and just a small little salad with some tomatoes. And I'm cooking the turkey burger on this wonderful lean, mean, fat grilling machine that, as you see, I got for $1 at a garage sale. So there's the grease. So this is Monday night. So it's Tuesday. For lunch, I'm having a turkey burger with couscous and some edamame. So Tuesday lunch. So this is Wednesday lunch. I'm having some quinoa and brown rice, a tomato basil pizza burger, and some edamame. Wednesday lunch. It's Thursday. Last night I was at a friend's house, so tonight I'm having a mushroom and spinach scramble with cheese and cage-free eggs. So this is Thursday night.